Joanna Klapperich. I'm here at Hoover Elementary in a 5th grade ESOL class. I have a smart board, and we also have a set of clickers, and based on our partnership with Corbin, we've got 7 iPads on the regular, and we can borrow when we have a project to get a total of 14. So this morning you saw them check in, and the question changes every day. We've been really focusing on geometry, surface area, so that's what you saw today. Utilizing just that one moment where they're coming in. Instead of saying, putting their name at Popsicle, yes, I'm here, even the check-in is a learning experience. You also saw IXL, the program that our school purchased. Every problem that the student does, whether it's at home or here, comes back to me, and I see what they're doing and what the trends are. I can go whole class or individual student. And so when I looked at the Oaks data and I looked at IXL, I saw something that was screaming out to me that we've been really practicing our geometry, and we rocked the geometry compared to the other 5th grade classes. So that was the first time that they were able to see what I see. Even just looking at a simple program like that and the things that we were able to do and look at, well, it's 2/3 or is it 3/4? And I was able to draw right on there and show them, well, yeah, it is 2/3. And I mean, that's a skill in itself. And to see the progress that they've made, but still it was clear that we were missing something. For me as a teacher, the data is invaluable. That was the expectation. If I was in this classroom as a student teacher, you need to implement with technology. And I thought, oh gosh, I don't even know how to teach yet. Now I have to learn how to use a smart board and all these other things. And I was actually really nervous about it. And the first couple of days with the kids, I'm trying to use the board and they're telling me what to do, and I'm like, oh my gosh, here we go. This is the end of my teaching career as I know it. But as things grew and I grew more comfortable and learned more, I really thought, what am I going to do if I don't have this in my real classroom? You need to see the value first. If you don't see the value in how it can work for you, it won't work. There are going to be challenges, but that's the name of the game. You can't tell me that there's not challenges without technology. Isn't there challenges in anything that you do? For example, you make copies and you wanted them double-sided and you got single-sided. Or they came out upside down and you pass them out and you realize that it's there. Or you went to cut something and you cut it in half instead of in thirds. So there are challenges with everything. I guess the thing with technology is, do you see the value in it? And for me, I see the value in it. I think for me, my basis was with our grant that we had when I was a student teacher and the first year that I was teaching. So I received a lot of professional development in this and was able to go and see what it looks like. I think with technology, I mean, you really have to see and do. How could it not, I guess? It's what's best for the kids too. I mean, I can't very well send them to take a state assessment that is all on the computer and they've never used a computer before and they don't know how to use it. I mean, that's not fair. It facilitates learning. It makes my job easier and my instruction more meaningful and valuable to the kids. What would be the downfall to it? I can't think of one. I really can't.